Welcome back to our account session. So, in the last session, we have discussed about the new profit sharing ratio, and we have solved some problems based on new profit sharing ratio. Today, we will see some more problems based on calculation of new profit sharing ratio on the first method that we have learned in our previous session. So, X and Y are partners. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They admit Z as a new partner with 1/10 share in future profits. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Here the problem is X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They admit Z as a new partner with 1/10 share in the future profits. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So the ratio of old partners is given and the share given to the new partner, that is 1/10 is given. Let us solve this problem under the first method. So already we have discussed that always profit is equivalent to 1. Now X, Y, their profit sharing ratio, old ratio is 2:1. Old partners and Z is new partner. 1/10. So this will be 2/3. 1/3. This is old ratio of old partners, and they are supposed to give how much? 1/10 to Z. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3/3 equal to how much? 1. 1 minus 1/10. Cross multiply this into 1. 10 minus 1 equal to 9/10. This is the remaining share of X and Y. So now we are supposed to distribute this remaining share among X and Y, which will be the new profit sharing ratio of X and Y. So X new profit sharing ratio equal to remaining share is 9/10 into his old share. Old share is 2/3. So 9 2s are 18, 10 3s are 30. Now let us see the new profit sharing ratio of Y. Remaining share is 9/10 and his old ratio was 1/3. So equal to 9/30. So if you want, you can verify this. Verify X 18/30, Y 9/30 and Z 1/10. So to make it 30, multiply it by 3. So 18 plus 9, 27, 27 plus 3 equal to 30 by 30. So always profit is equivalent to 1. Let us solve one more problem on this method. X and Y are partners. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Z as a new partner with 1/6 share in future profits. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Of X and Y. Now here we will see one more problem. X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Z as a new partner with 1/6 share in the future profits. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of X and Y. So let us solve this problem now. X, Y and Z. X and Y are old partners. And Z is new partner. So ratio was 3:2 and Z was supposed to get 1/6 share in future profits, which is given by X and Y. So old ratio was 3/5 and 2/5. So equal to how much? 5/5. Equal to how much? 1. So total profit is equivalent to 1. Out of that, 1/6 has to be given to Z, a new partner. So 1 minus 1/6. So if nothing is there, 1 should be considered as denominator. Cross multiply this. 6 minus 1/6 equal to 5/6 is remaining share to X and Y after giving to Z. Now to find out the new profit sharing ratio, X new profit sharing ratio. Remaining share is 5/6 and the old share is 3/5 equal to 15/30. Z's new profit sharing ratio equal to remaining share is 5/6 into his old share is 2/5. 10/30. Verify. 15/30 is 2 X, Y 10/30 and Z 1/6. make it 30 into 5. So 15 is to 10 is to 5 divided by 30 equal to 30 by